Okay, I'm gonna open box here. I got this one here to cut a few chunks. It comes with the manual. It comes with the battery here, these little books, the charger. So I already put the battery to charge a little bit. So this is the box. It shows the warranty here. All those details about the saw. And this is the saw. See here, it looks pretty lighter. It has a little tool here on the back, and this is the blade, 14-inch. Then here I charge the battery. Is it green? So full charge here. If you look here, full charge. It came with the only one, so you need to put for charge before you use it. Okay, and that's the charger. So it's full charge here. Lithium. That's it. Okay. Gonna put the oil here. Just put this oil here. Come in here. Be careful you don't make a mess. Maybe every 10 cuts you should use that. That's what the guy told me. It depends how you're gonna use, no? For how long. So okay, I put this one here. And then, okay, don't wanna make a mess. Here, close. Okay. Okay, then now, just be careful on that. The machine is here. The battery, you should put it like this. Okay. It clicks. Okay, do a little test here. Grab. It works. See? No noise, no engine noise. Hope you guys like the video. See you in the next one.